I'm Chris Atkins alongside Leslie Liu, and together we are Warrior Queens Rise, a global women's empowerment organization that really focuses on women's empowerment, mentorship, sustainability, and we love being here in Kenya, especially Kisii County.
Yes, my name's Leslie Liu. I'm also the co-founder of Warrior Queens Rise, and our organization is really happy to be here at Karere Girls School today. It's one of our favorite schools. We receive so much love, but our organization is really focused on serving and not just coming and speaking. I mean, yes, we offer the mentorship and the leadership and skill set training, but our organization is really focused on key areas: combating gender-based violence, and really educating people about FGM, mental wellness, and health. But for this trip, purposely, we have really listened to the girls who really told us about fighting period poverty and all of the challenges that they were facing with access to feminine hygiene products, because the products are very expensive, it's not sustainable for them, and when you use cheaper product period napkins, you're exposed to toxic chemicals that put you in the hospital. These girls have lost their dignity, they've wanted to take their own lives, they have felt the pressure to have sex with men for money to pay for the sanitary pads. So Carissa and I, as Warrior Queens, we don't stand for that.
And I'm the founder of Golden Girls Foundation, an organization that works with girls and women. And with girls, what we do is we ensure that they successfully complete school. So we try to bridge any gap that may make them drop out of school. And we also work with their mothers to economically empower them, to enable them to pay school fees for their kids, not only girls, but also their sons. So today, we are here because we're in partnership with a similar organization that has similar objectives with us, and that is the Warrior Queens. And we are here to address the menstrual health issue. We are in partnership with Rubicap, and the beauty about the menstrual cup, it is a medical grade silicone that lasts up to 10 years. So if a girl is given the silicone grade menstrual cup at grade 7, she successfully completes campus, her undergrad with the same cup. It is economically friendly, it uses very little water, there is a little chance of infection, and it gives them confidence. There is sustainability. It's not disposing and looking for funds to buy more and all that stuff.
Pony Warriors and the Golden Girls, Rubicap groups, to be in this school because our girls. No, girls pass through a lot of challenges in terms of sanitary pads and the hygiene programs. And I'm happy that they have come specifically to ensure that these girls do not miss school, do not miss class, to ensure that they have given them the pads that they need. And I'm very excited because this one is something that will last them for years. They're not going to look for any other more. And I want to thank you so much, my friends, for coming. These are friends who have been coming for the school, friends for the school, who have been coming here for over years. And they have been sharing with these girls on mentorship. They have been helping the needy. And now they have come with these products. We are so excited that at least we are moving several steps for this school.
My name is Ambassador Dominic Obadia. I'm a humanitarian diplomat, a philanthropist, and a head of state commendation by the President of the Republic of Kenya. Today, I'm with the Warrior Queens Rise, an organization based in the US. I'm working with different organizations, but I'm so passionate about these organizations because they are true to their word, and they are true and focused on empowering, helping young women be able to learn, access feminine hygiene training, and above all, helping them with the things they need. You all know that girls need things every month. So I'm here to confirm and say that this group, together with the Rubicap and the Warrior Queens Rise, are helping young girls in this country. And this is only the beginning, so that they can be able to access sanitary towels. Actually, they're called sanitary cabs. They're called Rubicaps, not even towels. So this goes a long way because it's going to help on the issue of sustainability, the issue of supporting the 17 SDGs in line with the 17 SDGs of the United Nations and also of this country by empowering the girl child. So this is going to help parents because a lot of money is spent on buying the pads every month. So it means it will keep the girls in school. So that's why I'm so passionate about supporting them.
Most of our girls here have challenges. And I know it's going to go a long way to build them up and make them better. And they can now be in school, they can be in class, and that will make them complete schooling. And we are excited, even improving their performance. I'm so grateful for having taken this time to come and share with us, and share with the girls, and train them. Because after this, they're going to be trained again. They'll be trained today, then we shall give them another time, around 2 days more, to come, so that they can train more girls to know how to use the product. And I know by the end of the day, most of the girls will be catered for.
So we are very happy to be here, and we are very grateful to have the Warrior Queens to enable us to distribute for this particular school 233 free menstrual cups to the girls in school. So for that, I give a big thank you to both Rubicap